Hi there, smart drivers. Hit the cone. Yes, in practice, hit the cone. I'll tell you why. It's not during your road test, because if you hit it during your road test, you're not going to be successful. But in practice, it's going to teach you where your vehicle is in space and place, and it's going to teach you mastery of the primary controls, which is key ingredient to passing a road test and being a smart driver and driving well on the roadway in other traffic with other drivers and with other road users. So practice hitting the cone. Hit the cone with the wing mirror, hit the cone with the back of the car, hit the cone with the front of the car. Not hard, but at least touch and bump the cone so you know where the cone is in space and place, and you can learn the blind areas around your vehicles. So we're going to show you a few exercises to do here that you can bump and hit the cone, and that will make you a better driver overall. So whenever you're practicing, have your seatbelt on. You have to have your seatbelt on for the duration of your road test, so have it on when you're practicing. That way you'll be ready for it. And we'll just wait for this cyclist here to get out of the way so we can maneuver around here. And we go around. First thing you want to do is you want to nose into the cone. So get yourself straightened around and then nose into the cone so you can hit the cone. And this is a good setup for them. Just have them in a reverse stall park configuration. Straightforward, bump the cone. Okay? And then back up. Make sure you're looking behind you, straight through the back window. You got to have that technique down for the purposes of the road test. I'll put a video up in the corner for you on proper reversing. Over the cone, bump it with the wing mirror on the driver's side. Okay? Then you want to go around in a big circle here, come around, and we'll do the passenger side.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time, because we know that your driver's test is the most stressful day of your life, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
So, wing mirror on the passenger side, tap the cone, just like that. It's going to bang a little bit on the car, but it's not going to do any damage. It's plastic. Your car is well... There we go. Go slow in case it does get hooked up there. So, and then we just move forward. And again, we can move forward here, and then we can bump it on the back of the car. Okay, straight back, car in reverse, like this, straight back here, and then bump it. Bump the cone. And for smaller cars, you're going to be able to see it over the back. For those of you who have newer vehicles, you're going to have backup cameras. That's going to make it really easy. Now, the final one here, you got to watch all the people on bicycles here going through the parking lot here. Okay. And the final one is to reverse stall park and hit the cone when you're going around trying to back in on the reverse stall park. And again, we're looking out through the window, wing mirror. And again, I told you the importance of wing mirrors. And again, bump the cone. I could feel the vehicle move up over the base of the cone, but I completely missed it when I went in there. Okay, but again, try and bump the cone. That way you're going to learn where your vehicle is in space and place. And that's what you're trying to do here. Trying to figure out where your vehicle is in space and place. Okay, and I bumped the cone that time. And then go around and do it on the driver's side. Back in from the driver's side here. Like this. And again, we want to be looking over this shoulder because this is the way we're backing in this time. And around. And I completely missed it. I'm trying to hit the cone. I can't seem to hit the cone. There we go. And use your wing mirrors. Get used to using your wing mirrors. That's a great skill for lane changing and observing when you're driving. And there, I heard it, listened. So make sure you have your window down on your vehicle. That way you can hear better. I've got my other windows down on the vehicle. That's how I heard it. So, a few exercises for hitting the cones, learning where your vehicle is in space and place, and improving your mastery of the primary controls. This is the purpose of this exercise. No, it's just not to go out and bang into cones with your parents' vehicle or your friends or families. It's to learn where your vehicle is in space and place and improve the mastery of the primary controls. That way you're going to be a better driver overall when you get out into traffic with other drivers and other road users. For another video, click here. To subscribe, click here. Thanks very much for watching, and remember, pick the best answer, not necessarily the right answer. Have a great day. Bye now. Hang on there one sec. The thought of failing your driver's test is what keeps you up at night right now. click the link over here. Check out the Smarter Driver course package that guarantees that you will pass your driver's test first time. Click the link and check that out. And have a great day. All the best. Bye now.